YouTube, welcome back to the channel. You're watching this video because you want to get free money on PayPal, and how to do it is actually so easy. This method will get you free PayPal gift card codes and free PayPal money, and you can do it as many times as you want, and all it takes is your mobile device and a few minutes of your time. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do it, and I'm going to be recording my mobile phone screen and putting the recording here so you can all follow along and all get money together. Super easy. Let me record my phone now and I'll run through these steps on how you can get your free PayPal cash in 2023. Let me just kickstart the recording. Okay guys, so basically open up the internet on your phone and go to Google and go to giftcardhero.net. You can go directly to the website by going to www.giftcardhero.net, or you can go to Google and search for Gift Card Hero. Basically you're looking for this website here. Now this website has tons of different things, ranging from discount codes to game codes to PayPal codes, and the PayPal codes are what we're interested in. So to find the PayPal page, press menu, and you can see there is a search function at the top. So tap that to get into the search and type in PayPal and then hit search. And you can see free PayPal gift card codes. Tap to open the page, and there is actually a full guide on this page, so if you get stuck at any point you can come back and read the guide. However, we need to click the green button that says free PayPal gift cards. Click here and you're going to be greeted by this page. Now scroll down and there are a few different codes that you can choose. There's a $25 gift card code, $100 or $250. Now it says dollars, however you can see I'm in the UK and it just transfers to your local currency. So for me it's Great British pounds. I've done this many times. So I'm going to click on the $250. It's going to start connecting to the PayPal database and look for an unused gift card code. Now this gift card code you can enter in the checkout anywhere that accepts PayPal, or you can enter it in PayPal itself and it's just going to credit your PayPal account. So you can see it's looking for the standard 16-digit code. Takes a little bit of time, and there you go. It's found me a code, but we need to unlock the last 4 characters. So press the show PayPal code button. And this is a verification, guys. Basically this stops robots from stealing all of the codes, so this just verifies you're a real person. Don't worry, it's super easy to complete. We just need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and here there is a list of offers ranging from applications and surveys, and they're all free. We just need to do 2 of them. So read the instructions below each one and just complete 2. So this one here is a survey. I'm going to open up, just answer the questions, and I need to input my email address. So let me just go ahead and do 2 of these. I'll complete them off camera because I can see this video is already over 3 minutes. So yeah, I just need to input my information. So give me a couple of minutes, I'll do this and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just completed both of those surveys that I showed you there. I just had to input my information, whatever information it asks, such as your email address. Just input your correct information because this does verify you're a real person, and also it obviously determines you're not a robot looking to steal all of the free PayPal money. So once you've done that, and you've done 2 of them, at least 2, so sometimes you need to do 3, but most of the time it works after 2, press the tabs, go back to this page, and you can see it's now released my full PayPal gift card code. So all I have to do is make a note of this, or I can copy and paste it, enter it into any basket that accepts PayPal or into PayPal itself, and it's going to credit me $250 or whatever that is in Great British pounds. It's around 200 Great British pounds, and you can keep doing this over and over again if you just follow these steps. I believe that is by far the easiest method of getting free PayPal gift card codes and free PayPal money in 2023. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please hit the like button. If you need any help getting your free cash, let me know. and I can help you out. Just leave a comment below. I'm trying to get a thumbnail here. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.